This is Cisco Packet Tracer Activity D2-554. I'm Bill Jarrett, and I'm recording this with Cam Studio. It says I'm supposed to connect a switch to the network and verify the configuration of the switch. So I should find use the proper cables and connect everything up, and then verify all the switch configuration. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with, this is pretty obvious because you have a switch here in the middle. You got a PC, a server, and a customer router. They taught us in class that like devices use crossover cables and unlike devices use straight through cables. So since a PC and a switch are unlike, and a server and a switch are unlike, and a router and a switch are unlike, they're all straight through cables. So another way you can cheat is just simply look over here. It's got the same thing set up, so that kind of makes things a little bit easy. So we'll grab our straight through copper cable and connect fast Ethernet to fast Ethernet. I'll throw it on number 1. And then do the same thing here. Fast Ethernet to fast Ethernet. And last but not least, from this guy here, fast Ethernet to fast Ethernet. Okay, pretty soon those little orange lights should all be turning green here in just a second. Oh. So next we're going to basically connect up from the PC to the switch, which we've already done with the cable. And we'll go ahead and try to connect up with the terminal program. Throw that up there. Okay. And go ahead and get logged in. Alright. Okay, so it's asking me for a password, which should just be, as usual, Cisco. Connect into the 2960 switch. Okay, there it is. It says customer switch. We know that we're in the right place because it's called customer switch. Okay, so there it is. So the first thing I want to do is I just want to kind of verify things, and the simplest way to do that is to say show running config. We're going to verify a few settings here. Oops, show running dash config. What did I do wrong? Show running. Oh, I'm not in privileged mode, that's why. Duh. Okay, let's try this again, guys. Enable. Another password. What the hell? Cisco 123. There we go. Now I'm in privileged mode, and we can do this. So show running dash config. There we go. And we need to make sure that everything is right the way it's supposed to be. Okay. Nothing here I'm looking for. Interface. There's all the interfaces. Here we go. Interface for VLAN 1. IP address 192.168.1.5 with a Class C subnet. Okay. Looks good. Password should be required for console access. There's console. Yep. At login. And then password required for VTY access. Yes, at login. And enable for privileged exec mode. And secret enabled for privileged exec mode. And verify IP connectivity between the router. So let's go ahead and try to ping the router. Ping 192.168.1.1 and see what we get. And it says it is a success. So it looks like we got everything in there. Outstanding. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial.